Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to secure apps with an app lock feature on your Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. First of all, let's go to Settings application on your smartphone and then navigate down to the Apps menu right here. Open Apps, then go to App Lock. Then enter your password and use your fingerprint to unlock this menu. And then switch the toggle to the right next to the applications that you want to hide. If you also want to hide notifications for this app, go right here and switch the toggle next to the applications that you want in this menu. Now, in order to access these applications now, just normally find them wherever you have it in the apps menu or on the home screen. Open this app and then use your biometrics or password to access them. And to remove these applications from the app lock menu, either go back in settings or you can also access the app lock feature from the security tool. If you go right here and then navigate down to manage apps, then app lock, and once again use your fingerprint to unlock this menu and just switch the toggle off next to the applications that you want to unlock. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.